Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Bear and you are watching Digital IT Lab. In the last video, we installed and configured Active Directory certificate services on our server DC-01 inside the domain digitalitlab.local. Now let's talk about what happened next. So we actually use certificates in our domain environment. Now we need to issue certificates to clients and services to enable secure communication, encryption and authentication. There are mainly four methods to do that. In this video, I will explain all four with a short and simple overview so you understand how each one works. First one is auto enrollment via GPO. In this method, certificates are automatically issued to domain joined machines using group policy. We configure a certificate template on the CA, then apply a GPO to a specific organizational unit like restricted users. When the client restarts or refreshes policy, it auto enrolls the certificate. It's fully automatic and ideal for large environments. Second one is manual enrollment via MMC console. In this method, we manually request a certificate using the certificates snap-in on the client machine. You open MMC, add the certificate snap-in, connect to the local computer or user and request a certificate from the Active Directory enrollment policy. It's good for individual app setups or when you need selective control. The third one is web enrollment via CA web interface. You have installed the web enrollment role. Users can request certificates from a browser. Just go to http colon double slash your server name dc-01 again slash certificate server. Select a template and submit a request. Once approved by the CA, you can download and install the certificate directly from the browser. It's helpful for remote users or devices not joined to the domain. The fourth one is CSR based enrollment. This method is used when the device or service is not part of the domain, like a web server, VPN devices, or external service. You generate a certificate signing request from that device, then submit it to the CA and manually install the issued certificate. It's common method for services like IIS and VPN and while slightly more technical, it gives full control over the certificate request process. So that was a quick overview of the four main certificate deployment methods in ADCS: auto enrollment, manual enrollment, web interface, and CSR based enrollment. Each method fits different use cases depending on your setup and security needs. In the next video, we will configure and implement each of these methods practically step by step inside our lab environment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Digital IT Lab. Also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. This is where see you in the next video.